Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Understanding Economics Concepts in Just 1 Minute. This is Dr. Atman Shah. Let's understand the idea of institutional economics. Institutional economics is a branch of economics that focuses on the role of institutions such as laws, regulations, norms, and organizations impacting the economic behavior and outcomes. So basically, it examines how these institutions influence the behavior or decisions of individuals, businesses, organizations, impacting the economic productivity, innovation, and growth. So, unlike traditional economic theories in which we assume the rational behavior of economic agents, institutional economics considers broader social, political, and cultural factors that affect economic systems. So this field helps understand why some economies thrive and others struggle, and how institutional changes can foster economic development. So that's the idea of institutional economics. If you like it, share it.